wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mini tripods. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The BestShoot desktop is made from strong metal components and can reliably accommodate cameras weighing as much as 6 pounds. It comes with 3 spare feet and a handy protective case. However, the mounting bolt is poor quality. At number 9, the durable Benro pocketpod is, as the name suggests, small enough for easy transport, making it an extremely convenient option. Its feet provide ample traction and can be set up on a variety of surfaces. It's backed by a 5-year warranty, but the height is not adjustable and it can be difficult to tighten. Coming in at number 8 in our list. With versatile foam legs coated in rubber for grip and durability, the ubeesize S Premium is simple to configure into pretty much any position. Its joint adjustments are smooth and require little effort. It includes a wireless remote for group shots and extends to over 10 inches. However, it is hard to mount a phone vertically. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini tripods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Altura Stand QZ0312 has padded feet for stability and an intuitive one-button locking system to secure cameras in place. It's a compact option that can fit easily in most bags. It's equipped with a contoured pistol-style grip and is available bundled with accessories, but it may not be tall enough for some. Moving up our list to number 6. With a rugged build yet weighing less than 9 ounces, the Sirui 3T35 is a good choice for taking along on your travels. It's suitable for both handheld and tabletop use and sports a telescoping design that allows you to capture photos from various heights. The center column can be removed and it's equipped with a swiveling ball joint. However, it is unstable with heavy gear. Halfway up our list at number 5. Suitable for professional and amateur photographers, the Joby gorillapod rig includes 3 mounts, so it can support any combination of cameras, mics and lights you need, all of which can be positioned separately. It features a strap for attaching to thick objects, rubberized grips and a numbered scale to replicate angles. At number 4, the Manfrotto Pixi Evo 2 pairs a sleek contemporary design with a high level of functionality. A ball joint in the mount allows you to swivel your gear a full 360 degrees or even turn it sideways for portrait shots. It's comfortable to hold as a monopod and adjusts to uneven surfaces well. It can be used with phones and DSLRs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the reticam tabletop sports a robust build with multiple useful features, such as an extendable center column and easily adjusted leg locks. It's also equipped with a built-in bubble level, which takes the guesswork out of keeping shots straight. It comes with a quick-release mounting plate, rubber feet to prevent it slipping, and a handle for convenient positioning. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini tripods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to a flexible construction, you can wrap the fotopro UFO 2 around a range of structures, from branches to chain-link fences and even skateboards. Its thick legs are coated in rubber with an aluminum core. It comes in at a budget-friendly price, with a Bluetooth remote shutter and both phone and GoPro adapters. And taking the top spot on our list, thanks to its ability to extend from 9.1 to 19.7 inches and a 360-degree swiveling head, the neewer portable macro gives you the freedom to unleash your creativity on whatever project you're tackling next. It boasts a strong metal construction and can support up to 11 pounds. It includes a handy carrying bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini tripods, or simply click beneath this video.